Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is Convolution Neural Network for Classifying Sentiments on Movie Reviews. Now we are going to see the project abstracts. The primary objective of sentiment has typically been about a product or service from the online review in the World Wide Web. To investigate the problem of automatic text categorization and sentiment classification, to overall view towards the subjective information such as opinion on products and attitudes from language. Here CNN algorithm model has shown the remarkable result for classifying text and sentiments. So in this process we present our approach on the task of classifying movie reviews using the word embedding on a IMDb dataset. So here we are going to find the sentiment accuracy based on the text classification using CNN algorithm. Our results suggest that the sentiment classification based on the movie review consists of positive and negative. So finally here we are going to show the graph based on the accuracy and loss during the classification on train and test data using CNN algorithm. Flow of the project. So first we have to select the dataset and view the dataset. Then we are moved to the data pre-processing. So in the data pre-processing there are two things: missing data removal and encoding categorical data, and then splitting dataset into training and testing data. So and going to the feature extraction. So in the feature extraction we are going to embedding the data, and then going to the classification. Here we are using CNN algorithm for the classification, then prediction, then result generation. Result generation we are showing the graph based on the accuracy and loss of data based on the movie review view using CNN algorithm. Now we are going to see the running process. See the first we are going to import the project. So go to this directory. So and then go to the project path. So the process in console it using user TensorFlow backend. To so now we're getting the embedding list. This is embedding list. So embedding param, total param, trainable param and non-trainable param. So here the approach is running. So we are having 32,000 sample and validate 8,000 samples. Okay, validate means test, change test. total approach is 6, so it trained 6 times using 32,000 data. So now we start the second approach, training second time 1 point something, so 0.81 something. So it finished the second approach, so now it trained the third time. In second time we got 80.83 something value accuracy. The third one is completed, and now it runs the train the fourth approach. So it finished the fourth approach, and now it goes to the fifth approach. So the fifth approach is finished, and then now it runs the final approach number 6. So we got the output. We got the test score as 0.37 something and test accuracy as 0.3 something. So this first graph shows the model accuracy based on the approach. So this is the blue line represents the train data and the yellow line represents the test data. So this is the test accuracy. So then this is the model loss and approach. This shows the training data model loss and the yellow line shows the test line loss. The loss is 0.3766. So this is the final output. So thank you for watching this video.